It's official, I'm a regular here. This dude with the mountain bike was just like zooming by the camera, running. Oh, one next. In today's video, I want to talk about the day use areas in state parks and the benefits they have. Let's dive right in.
It's been a while since we felt the way we did back when we were...
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Stefan and I live, work and travel in my self-built camper van, Ganapati. This one also happens to have a few hiking trails, and yeah, people come here with their horses as well. Look at that. You know what? Let me go for a quick hike. Why not? This one has a very beautiful hike. I went to go film myself coming towards the camera. You know, the things we do here at the channel to get things more interesting. When I turned around, this dude with the mountain bike was just like zooming by the camera. I think he saw it. This used to be a residence at some point, I think before it was given away to the city to make this wilderness park, which is awesome. And there's a foundation right there. Let's go check that out. Why not? Look at me running. Oh, what next will I do? So this was a foundation right here. And that's the only thing that remains in place. But it used to be a home. Got my hiking done for today. Thank you very much. It was short but sweet. All right, let's go back to Ganapati. So this is where I usually fill up my 7-gallon water tank for my sink. I just come down to a day use area. They usually have these spigots and I can just fill up. While I try to produce the least amount of trash that I can, I do take the opportunity to use these trash cans for my poo bucket bag. This place is essentially one of those places where you can just come with family and have a picnic, and it has all the amenities. It even has these. Let me show you. I'm running again. Look at that. Whoa. Hope I don't break anything. It also has these barbecue grills. So it's crazy because there's two, so you can come down here and do a cook-off. Talking about cook-off and food, I think it's time for me to make some food of my own. Making myself a breakfast burrito with a plant-based Italian sausage and other cool things like eggs and avocado and onion, and you'll just see. I'm excited because it's gonna be good. Okay, let's get into it. I knew this was gonna be a pretty big burrito, so wish me luck. I know it's gonna be delicious, I'm hoping. Another benefit of the day use area is the fact that I filmed these videos for you. I came here a few times, I just changed locations and filmed some YouTube videos. Last but not least, they also have restrooms. They have a campground where they have showers, but that's a $20 per night and you can use their showers. Other than that, the restrooms here are pretty clean. They're pretty well maintained. I think they have like some sort of maid service that comes in and makes sure they're in great shape. Is the $3 spent worth it for a day use? I think they close at like 5:30 today. For me, absolutely. I love it. Nobody bothers me. I come in and do my thing, enjoy my day, film some videos, fill up some water, use the restroom, use the trash cans, you know, just enjoy a day outdoors. I love it. I wish I would have done it sooner. If you enjoyed this video, you can check out this video up here. Hit the like button, subscribe if you so desire, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.